CPET 1, Track A, A1. You may know this already by now, but just for in case, let me quickly go over the names that we use for our term. Our term consists of 6 months, and the books on each month are called A1 to B3. A means the track A, and B means, of course, track B. So A1 means the first book of A track. As it's highlighted a bit dark here, A1 of CPET 1 is a bit different from the other books. Let's think about what are the different things that our students learn in A1 then. Students are supposed to finish learning all the initial sounds, single letter sounds alphabets. Besides, the first months of our new term, new level, can be very hard for students, especially if our students are 7 to 9 years old. For some students, this may be their very first time of learning English in a classroom setting, even seeing a foreign teacher. So, to help them adapt better to the classroom environment, we will emphasize on different things that we normally don't for the rest of the month. Then now, let's think about what are the actual differences. Number 1, program objective. The program objective for CPET 1, Book 1, is completing phonics and developing basic expressions. But, especially for A1 book, we'll focus on the phonics. So, more precisely, we can say A1 book's objective is Intro to Phonics. To elaborate, we teach them alphabet letters, the single letters only, and the initial letters, including both capital and lowercase letters. Also, we teach them on how to write letters properly, following the right order in a neat manner, just like this. Number 2, schedule. We are looking at the class structures from the program guide now. We have 3-day class schedule and 2-day class schedule for A1 here. As you can see here, the second class of each block, time is slightly different with A2 to B3 books, the rest of the books in a term. So for the A1 book, they are scheduled to spend even time for the Atelier book and the gallery book, same here. So 20 minutes each per book for the second class of the block. Whereas from A2 B3 books, we spend only 15 minutes for the gallery book and 25 minutes for the Atelier book. It's simply because we have less number of components in the Atelier book in the second class of the block. However, the teaching order is same for the rest of the books for the entire term actually. Number 3, methodology. In terms of different methodology, it would be best to watch our simulation videos, including gallery book, Atelier book, and the palette book. Now, let's begin.